Homeowners in Murray are always looking for ways to enhance their living spaces while improving comfort, efficiency, and overall home value. One window style that continues to gain popularity is the picture window. Known for its large, fixed glass design, a picture window offers a range of benefits that go beyond aesthetics. From maximizing natural light to improving energy efficiency, there are many reasons why Murray homeowners are choosing this modern and functional upgrade. One of the most compelling reasons is the ability to maximize natural light. Picture windows are designed without grids or multiple panes, allowing sunlight to enter the home without obstruction. In Murray, where seasonal changes can affect daylight levels, having a large window that brings in consistent light can make a significant difference. Brighter interiors reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day and create a more welcoming and comfortable atmosphere. Another major benefit is the enhanced view of the outdoors. Murray offers beautiful surroundings, including mountain views and open landscapes. Picture windows act like a frame, allowing homeowners to enjoy these views from the comfort of their home. Whether it's a sunrise, snowfall, or greenery in warmer months, these windows provide a clear, uninterrupted connection to the outdoors. Homeowners also appreciate how picture windows can make spaces feel larger and more open. The expansive glass design creates a sense of depth, making even smaller rooms appear more spacious. This is especially beneficial in living rooms, dining areas, or any space where an open and airy feel is desired. The visual extension of the room adds to the overall comfort and appeal of the home. Energy efficiency is another important reason for their popularity. Modern picture windows are built with advanced glass technology, including multi-pane construction and insulating features that help regulate indoor temperatures. In Murray's climate, which includes both warm summers and cold winters, this insulation helps maintain a consistent indoor environment. By reducing heat transfer, picture windows can help lower energy costs and improve overall efficiency. Because picture windows are fixed and do not open, they offer excellent sealing and insulation. Without moving parts, there are fewer opportunities for air leaks or drafts. This makes them one of the most energy-efficient window options available. A tight seal helps keep conditioned air inside and outdoor air out, contributing to a more comfortable home throughout the year. Low maintenance is another advantage that attracts homeowners. With no moving components such as hinges or tracks, picture windows require minimal upkeep. Regular cleaning of the glass is usually all that is needed to keep them looking clear and bright. This simplicity makes them a convenient option for busy homeowners who want long-lasting performance without frequent maintenance. Picture windows are also highly versatile in terms of design and placement. They can be used as a standalone feature or combined with other window styles to create a custom look. For example, pairing a picture window with operable windows on the sides allows homeowners to enjoy both natural light and ventilation. This flexibility makes it easy to incorporate picture windows into a wide range of home designs. Another reason homeowners choose picture windows is their ability to enhance curb appeal. The clean, modern look of a large glass window adds a touch of sophistication to any home exterior. Whether part of a renovation or new construction, picture windows can elevate the overall appearance of the property and make it more visually appealing. Proper installation is essential to ensure that these benefits are fully realized. A professionally installed picture window will be properly sealed and aligned, preventing air leaks and maximizing energy efficiency. This also ensures durability, allowing the window to perform well over time. In addition to their practical benefits, picture windows can improve the overall living experience. Natural light, scenic views, and a sense of openness all contribute to a more enjoyable home environment. These factors make a noticeable difference in how a space feels on a daily basis. In conclusion, homeowners in Murray are choosing picture windows for their ability to combine style, efficiency, and functionality. From maximizing natural light and enhancing views to improving energy performance and reducing maintenance, picture windows offer a wide range of benefits. With thoughtful placement and professional installation, they provide a lasting upgrade that enhances both the comfort and value of any home.